Well, I got a real handy dandy product to show you today. This is a 15-piece vacuum bag storage bag system. So for traveling, this is fantastic. There's 3 different size bags here. So we got, this is the large one. And then we got one just a little bit smaller. They're all 15.8 inches tall. And then this is the smallest one. Now, so there's 5 of each size bag. Now, with it, not only does it come with the bags, it also comes with the pump, which is right here. And what's great about this pump, this is really ingenious. It has a Type C, or you could pull this out, or a USB. So 2 different options to power it. And it comes with a little carrying bag for the pump. And then these clips. And these clips, I have one installed there. But what's great about this is, I'll put in, as an example, let's put in 3 t-shirts into this bag. And, not only is it great for travel, but for storing, your favorite shirts or pants or, anything. So she's got those 3 t-shirts in there, and the clips, they just slide, it just slides on. And what this does, I'll just put a little pressure, and this will close the seal. But I want to first I'll get that sealed up. So I'll just go to the end, and then here, just gonna unscrew that cap, get any excess air out, and what I'll do is just install the pump here. Get that on there. And then I have let me get this plugged in and powered up, and then we'll get this bag all sealed up. All right. Okay, as you can see, it is sucking the air right out of the bag. Very quiet, too. And it certainly doesn't take long. Oh, yeah, it's just really... Wow! Woo! You know what? I'm going to stop it right there. And then I'll just put the cap right back on. And take a look at that. Look, 3 t-shirts compressed into barely anything. Wow! That is going to make traveling a whole lot easier. And like I mentioned, this is a great way to store favorite clothes, because this will keep you waterproof, dust-proof. Whoo! That is a neat one. I must say, I'm very impressed with that.